Well, welcome for the third session of the Warrior Seed Syllable practice. I hope that all of you who have been practicing definitely got quite a bit of time to practice on the Ah and Om. Now, this is the session of HOUNG, working with the heart chakra. So basically, working with the HOUNG, Warrior Seed Syllable HOUNG and the heart chakra is to discover the quality of love, compassion, equanimity, joy within our own heart, within ourself. So if one has been working clearly with specific situation, that if you have been working and managed to clear some degree of anger away, and then you definitely would feel a little bit more sense of space, more sense of opening as working with the Ah. If you been working with the Ah in that way, then it will definitely create some sense of support to work with Om, to feel more space, to feel more light in that space. As like early in the morning, you see a clear sky when there's no cloud. When you see a clear sky, you wait enough that the light begin to come, the sun begin to shine. So as you wait enough, experiencing the sunshine, you begin to feel the warmth of the sunshine and see where does this sunshine hit. It hits the tree, it illuminates the tree. It hits the mountain, it illuminates the mountain. Wherever it hits, it illuminates the darkness in those objects, in those nature. So the same way, if you have been clearing your anger, you begin to feel more space. If you have been feeling more space, you begin to feel more light. If you begin to feel more light, then clearly during this session of the practice, you will begin to feel more quality of love in your heart. So I hope that you have been working with the Ah and you have been working with the Om. So now I hope that you are ready to work with the HOUNG. So in this case, what we wanted to do is to draw our attention to the heart chakra. So basically, this is the area. So as we have been doing, clear, open attention. Clear means no thought, no judgment, no analysis, no criticism towards somebody, towards yourself. But clearly, you have been allow your emotion, you have cleared that, you felt space, you felt light. Now, this case, when you draw your open attention to your heart, what you're going to feel in that space, in that light, you're going to begin to experience certain quality exist. You draw attention there at your heart, without judgment, without analysis. Feel comfortable position. If it's possible, 5-point position, cross-legged, spine straight, chest open, neck slightly down. Feel the space in the heart. Feel the light in that space. Allow to experience the quality of love in that union of that space and light in your heart. And we sing the warrior sacred sound HOUNG. Oh. If you have a time, continuously sing, feel the vibration of the sound at the heart. Feel the vibration of the sound of the HOUNG in that union of space and light in the heart. Allow to rediscover, allow to see the presence of quality of love. Just simply, when you draw your attention to that union of space and light in your heart, you will feel. You will feel the seed, the quality of love is just there. It has been waiting to be seen by you, felt by you, been aware by you. If you are not able to connect, continuously produce the sound HOUNG with a maintain clear and open attention to the heart until you feel the quality, until you feel the presence of love. The moment you discover that quality in your heart, it's like looking up in the sky, suddenly you see the clouds are moving, you see a hole in these clouds, and through that hole you begin to see an opening space. Through that opening space you just begin to discover the light. The moment you feel the connection to that light, just maintain clear, open connection to that. Same way, the moment you feel that love in your heart, maintain clear, open attention to that. It's just a matter of resting, experiencing without elaboration, resting continuously, becoming more and more familiar with that quality in your heart. So this is how you're going to do the practice. So question about, is it really possible to feel the quality of the love in my heart when I really feel so much anger toward that person, toward that situation? Absolutely yes. It's absolutely possible to feel the quality of love in your heart. So that is this session of HOUNG. And of course, those who are willing to really seriously do this practice, I will strongly recommend the Healing with the Sound, the Warrior Seed Syllable book, a Tibetan Sound Healing, it's called, published through the Sound True. Also, one can always get through the Lingmicha website. So this is not to say that you need to get the book, but if you are seriously interested and these clips of explanation is not enough, then I would recommend to go further and pursue that. So thank you very much. I hope this is continuously helping, and I look forward for the next session. Thank you.